A storage facility needs to create a set of 5-digit codes for its products. The codes can only be created using all the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8 exactly once. If the code must be odd, how many such codes can be created? So I have a code of 5 digits. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, they don't explicitly say that the elements cannot be repeated, but they do mean so implicitly by saying that they must use all of the digits. So if I used 2, I cannot use a 2 again because I would need to use the other 4 spaces for 3, 5, 7, and 8, right? If I use a 2 again, I'm going to be not using one of them, but I need to use all of them and exactly once. Okay, so that's kind of like another way of saying that the elements cannot be repeated. So that is one, but the code must be odd also. So that is another restriction. Every time you have a code, you always want to start putting the values in the spaces that have the restrictions. So if it must be odd, then the last digit has 1, 2, 3 options. So I put a 3, not because it takes the value of 3, but it has 3 options. Now, out of these 3, it is only going to choose 1. The other ones don't have a restriction for even or odd. So it just can be any of the other values that are not chosen at the end. So if I chose 1 already, then I have 4 options for the first one, then another 3 options, 2 options, and finally 1. So that gives me 3 times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36, times 2, 72. The answer is B.